Welcome back. In this video I will talk about dithering the edges of an object and how it creates a specific effect of curvatures. I have already shown you previously that dithering the curves is going to make it a bit smoother for the eyes. Overall, it's a smoother effect. By not using any more colors than we already have, we create a smoother effect. And this is essentially it. Dithering pattern is simply creating a mid-tone between two colors, basically a blended color between two colors, okay? Nothing else. If we take the same principle and apply it on a cube, this is the cube that's being shaded, and then we dither the edges of a cube. In this specific case, it's only one edge. What does it create for you? Do you think that this is the smoother transition between these two sides? Yes, it is. But if we want a sharp edge on an object, we want to keep it like that, okay? If we dither it, this is basically a mid-tone between these two colors, right in the middle, and it would look like this if we didn't use dithering. So remember, dithering is when we don't want to increase the color palette, so we want to keep the color palette small or the same size. We don't want to introduce an extra color like in this case, so we use dithering. But this is the same effect. Do you see how the edge of the cube is no longer sharp, like this one? It's rounded a little bit. So how you use dithering effect can really determine the shape of the object as well. Dithering patterns can also be used as a texture, but just because something has checkerboard pattern doesn't mean it's dithering. Dithering is a shading technique, so you are creating a mid-tone between two colors, so you are basically blending colors. And depending on how you create dithering patterns, you can create multiple colors from only two colors, and I will be showing you that in the future videos. For now, keep in mind that if you dither the edge of an object, that edge is no longer sharp. It's going to appear a bit smoother, a bit rounder. That's all for today. If you want to find out more, please visit the links down below. And as always, relax, enjoy, and have fun.